This time we're going to use the standard division algorithm to calculate 7,459 divided by 6, and we're going to use drawings of base 10 blocks to explain each step of the algorithm. Okay, so let's start with the algorithm and then we'll do the base 10 blocks. So we have 7,459 divided by 6. And the standard algorithm, you look at the leading place value and you go, okay, does 6 go into 7? Yeah, it goes in one time. 1 times 6 is 6, and we subtract. And we get 1, and we bring down the 4. 6 goes into 14 twice. 2 times 6 is 12. We subtract. We get 2, and we bring down the 5. 6 goes into 25 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24, and we subtract. We get 1, and we bring down the 9. 6 goes into 19 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18, and we subtract. We get 1. And because 1 is smaller than 6, I'm done. Okay, this is my remainder. So I have 1,243 with a remainder of 1. Now I'm supposed to explain all of the steps of this algorithm using base 10 blocks. So let's draw out the base 10 block situation. So I have 7,459. So that's 7 cubes, 4 flats, 5 longs, and 9 ones. Okay, so I have to distribute these blocks into 6 groups. So I'm just going to put some groups down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. So I'm going to try to distribute all these blocks equally among these 6 groups. And I'm going to start with the thousands. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's enough to put 1,000 in every group. That's what we're doing when we do the 6 goes into 7 once thing. We're saying we have 7,000s. I can put 1 of them into each of the 6 groups. Okay, so I'm going to draw those in here. So I've been able to put 1 of those thousands into each of the groups. So I'm just going to cross out the ones I've used. All distributed. Okay. And I have 1 left over. That's what happens when I do the subtraction. I said, okay, well, I can put 1,000 into each of the 6 groups. That's 6,000s. Subtract. I had 7,000s. I gave out 6 of them. I have 1 left. I have 1,000 left. And I can't give it out as thousands. I'm going to have to give it out with the hundreds. I'm going to convert it to hundreds and give it out with these 4. So this 1 is 1,000, and this 4 is hundreds. I have 1,400s, or 14 hundreds. So I'm going to trade that cube for 10 flats, and I'll draw them down here. Okay, so now we have 14 flats. That's what this 14 is. I have 14 flats. I'm going to give them out among the 6 groups, which means I can put 2 in each group. I have 14. So that's what happens when you say, okay, how many times does 6 go into 14? Twice. We're saying, how many flats can I put in each group? How many of my 14 flats can I put in each of the 6 groups? And the answer is 2. Okay, so I'm going to draw those in. 2 flats in each group. Okay. So I have now used how many flats? 12. Okay, so I used 12 flats, and that's why when we do 2 times 6 to get 12, that's how many we've used. So I'm going to cross out 12 of my flats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I used 12 of them. 2 times 6 is 12. How many do I have left? This is why we subtract. We started with 14 flats. I just gave out 12 to the groups. Subtract, I have 2 left. So I have 2 left, 2 flats, which is not enough to give out flats to the 6 groups. So I am now going to look to the tens place. I'm going to convert these to tens so that I can combine them with these tens, and I'll have 25 tens. Okay, so instead of this flat and this flat, I'm going to make them tens. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I still have these 5 tens as well. So this is 25 to give out. Okay, so if I have 25 tens, I could put 4 in each group because 6 groups of 4 makes 24. So I can put 4 in each group. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have now given out 4 tens to each group. That's 24 tens. So we looked at the 25. We said, okay, we've got 25 tens to distribute. That means I can put 4 in each group. And I will give out 4 times 6, 24 tens. So I had 25 tens. I just gave out 24 of them. That means I have 1 left over. So let's cross out what I have distributed already. So I gave out all of these and 4 of these. I have 1 10 left over, which I'm going to have to break apart in order to distribute because I don't have 6 tens left. I don't have enough to put 1 in each group. So I'm going to have to take that last 10 and break it into ones. So let's see. I haven't used blue. Okay. So I'm going to take that last 10 and make it 10 ones. So now I have 10 ones and 9 ones. That's where this 19 comes from. I had 25 and I gave out 24. I had 1 10 left after I did that. And then I add that 1 10 to my 9 ones. So this is my 19 ones. And if I want to distribute these 19 ones to my 6 groups, I could put 3 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oops. That's 18. I've given out 18. So I can put 3 in each group. 6 groups of 3 is 18 ones. And when I subtract, because I had 19 ones, now I have 18. I gave out 18 ones. I have 1 left over. Okay, so let's see. I gave out all but 1 of the ones. And this is my remainder. So when we look at the groups, I have 1,243. 1,243 blocks in each group, and I have 1 left over.